Hi, my name is Rhonda and I'm a member of the Intuit Link team. Today we'll be reviewing how the taxpayer will be able to accept the accountant's request, answer questions, and upload documents. Before we get started, I'd like to give you a quick overview of why we think Intuit Link is right for you. Link provides a secure location via 256-bit encryption, where you can gather your client's tax data and send requests back and forth between you and your clients. With Link, you can create a custom client questionnaire and request tax documents based on prior year tax returns. Link also provides an accountant and a client dashboard that shows what has been submitted and what is missing to ensure nothing falls between the cracks. Now, let's take a look at what your client will see and how your information moves between the accountant and taxpayer sides of Link. The client experience will begin with an invite email they were sent by their tax preparer. When they open the email, they will have an invitation to Link and just need to click on the login button. If they do not see the email, they may need to check their spam folder. Now you see the email or user ID will be pre-populated with the email the invitation was sent to. If they already have an Intuit account with the same email, then they would use their normal password. If they do not already have an Intuit account, then they will simply need to create a password. Once the password is selected, then they can sign in. The first thing that the client will see is going to be the welcome banner. This will inform them that your firm has invited them to gather and share tax data. The client will need to click Let's Get Started. Once the client accepts the invitation, you'll see a green check mark on the accountant's site. If the client selects No Thanks, you'll see that they've declined in the accountant's site. Now your client will see the home page for Link. This screen will give them a quick overview of how many questions and document requests they have pending. In order for them to complete the request, they will simply click on Answer Questions or Add Documents. Answering questions is incredibly straightforward with Link. Simply click the response buttons for yes or no questions, or click the comment field for open-ended questions. Once a question is successfully answered, the circle on the left will change to a green check mark. Documents are handled in a similar, straightforward manner. The taxpayer simply clicks on the Upload document to choose the file they want to upload. This will upload the document securely to the cloud. Documents can be in many forms: Word, Excel, JPEG, GIF, PDF, just to name a few. Comments, if needed to explain a document or to clarify any questions the taxpayer has, can also be added by clicking on the drop-down next to Upload Document and selecting Comment. All of this will happen in real time, so as questions are answered and documents uploaded, the accountants will be able to see these immediately in Link Accountant. This summarizes the client's experience in Intuit Link. So now if you want to view the data, let's go to the Link Accountant site. You want to go to link.intuit.com/accountant. Log in to view the client screen. I just wanted to point out at this time that there is a Search Clients feature located on the left, which you can use to narrow the client list even further. Simply click in the field and begin typing the client name. The client list is broken into 4 columns: Name, Activity, Progress, and Actions. Each of these columns are sortable by clicking on the title of each of the columns. Once we have located your client, you will notice that there is a blue bar under the Progress column. This indicates progress as the taxpayer is working through your requests. It will update in real time. Click on the client name and the list of all requests and documentation will appear here. To view a document, click on the document name and it will open in a separate web page. At this point, you can send additional requests, as shown in the first video if needed. That completes our walkthrough of the taxpayer experience with Intuit Link. We thank you for your time and hope that you found this video helpful.